All right, I'm going to show you how to remove a doorknob, and we're going to start with this side of the door. It's got 2 bolts, so you just move the latch so that it's standing up in the middle, however that may look for you. And these are really long bolts, and it helps to hold the other side so that they come out completely. So once that is out, then you can take off the deadbolt itself. And it's lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, so go to the left. Make sure you have a screwdriver that fits your screws. I just did a different door, so this one isn't the best, but it works. My stepdaughter, she's thirsty.
What happened?
Can you leave pause? I don't know. No, you've seen enough. And you guys gotta go to bed early. Did you pause it?
Yeah, I paused it, of course.
Okay.
Like, I was choking. It's hard to breathe.
Okay. Did you unpause?
Yeah.
Okay, so then you pop this out and you have a completely empty one. So I'm going to open up the new package
Scary.
and show you how to then install the video. Pause.
Messy counter.
In the counter?
Da, 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 da.
Ariel, go put that bag in my car. You're not filming, right?
Of course I am.
Oh.
Well, you're putting it in. Of course I have
I
to.
told you don't film. I want to make sure I can get it together.
It doesn't look right.
Why?
It doesn't match the green.
Oh, you don't like the color?
We need to paint the door. It looks disgusting. I'm kidding. Pepper, you're so pretty.
Don't just sit there.
Yeah, don't just sit there.
Whoa. What blew away in the back?
What flew away?
Are you really recording right now?
Of course I am.
Oh, okay. Well, I kind of smashed it all together.
Good job.
But the deadbolt obviously needs to be on the outside of the door. You have to put this through first, and then show this part, right, honey? See
Yeah.
this U shape right here?
No.
You need to match
You get
this U shape
2 more minutes.
into there.
Hands. Hand review.
And then on the other side, the receiving end of the... Oh.
I almost
Just
showed
stop
my
filming.
face.
I'm probably not going to post this.
You're not gonna
I'm
finish.
not going to post it.
Why aren't you gonna post
Because
it?
there's too much talking going on.
It's fine.
I'm not making a TikTok video. I'm making a YouTube video.
It's
How
fine.
to change your
Well,
door.
then you can get more people to learn.
Can you hold that for me, honey?
Touch.
Yeah, hold it like that.
I have clammy hands. Why does my hand look like that? Trash.
That's in the right part. Oh yeah, that is the right part.
Good job.
Wait.
Ariel,
Yeah.
there's 2 more things.
I don't care.
Pep.
2 more things.
Lord.
Chloe and Ariel.
What?
Me?
Knock it off.
Me?
No. Oh, my Chloe. You two Chloe in the house. It can be confusing.
No, be more patient. Oh, I thought you said you weren't going to do the rest.
Do your kids argue when you ask them to do chores? Just me? Okay, just checking.
Ow!
And then beat each other up over it?
Yeah, we beat each other up overnight.
She punched
Is it just me or do we just beat each other up?
on YouTube because you said that her kid punched another one in the bag.
Mama's not going to post it.
You know what?
What? Let go.
I cleaned the table.
Thank you, Sissy. It's a table.
And it smells.
I'm gonna grab my phone because